Here we are doing a quick tour of Grace Garden out at the street with the blackberries and the grapes. Honeysuckle, I think. Interesting short stemmed rosemary. Flowered walk path. More grapes. More blackberries. Beautiful. This is middle of August, August 16th. Around the side of the house, some of the produce she's recently harvested. Wonderful, beautiful flowers, trees, bushes. Got quite a few tomatoes, different varieties, called permaculture, contraction of permanent culture, permanent agriculture. As a contrast to the disposable culture. Notice the abundance. Nature is abundant if we give it half a chance. If we have the intelligence and the financial wherewithal to get a little property. Some food sources are as small as these are Aroni berries. Some people call them chokeberries. Look at this small Asian pear tree that's very prolific. Fig tree. No figs. Bamboo. Got off the beaten path. Go back to the path. Goes down to the kiva, which is in a separate video, and the labyrinth, which is in a separate video. If you don't know the ritual to do with the labyrinth, go back. Grace Garden. Looking for caretakers to take over from the original couple that established this food forest and worked it for many years. A little asparagus pot, a little overgrown. pears. That labyrinth? I think so. Imagine living here, having this cornucopia of food outside your door.